The first step in cleaning your VariKwik speed oven is to turn the oven off and let it completely cool. Remove the crisp plate by simply sliding it out. The crisp plate is made of anodized aluminum and can be hand cleaned with soap and water. To remove the door, take a flathead screwdriver and slide forward the two hinge tabs as shown. Then, simply start to close the door and lift it up off the hinges. Removing and cleaning the gasket should be done often. Simply pull the gasket out and hand clean in soap and water. Now, spray down and clean the oven cavity with a degreaser or oven cleaner. Thoroughly wipe down the entire oven cavity. Reinstall the gasket by pressing back into the slot. To reinstall the door, simply line up the hinges and press the two hinge tabs back into place. For more info, check out www.varikwik.com.